Organizational behavior and the management process. Organizational behavior, OB, is a field of study that examines the behavior of individuals and groups within an organization, as well as the impact of organizational structures and processes on human behavior. It is an interdisciplinary field that draws from psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and management to understand how people interact in the workplace and how organizations can be effectively managed. The management process? The management process involves the activities and functions performed by managers to achieve the goals and objectives of an organization. These functions are typically categorized into 4 basic functions. Planning. Planning is the first managerial function, and it involves the process of determining the organization's desired future position and deciding how best to get there. This function includes environmental analysis, studying and analyzing the internal and external environment to identify opportunities and threats. Goal setting, defining clear and achievable objectives for the organization. Strategy development, outlining the strategies and approaches that will be used to achieve the goals. Tactics development, developing specific action plans and tactics to execute the chosen strategies. Behavioral processes and characteristics, such as perception, creativity, and motivation, play a significant role in the planning process. Organizing. Organizing is the process of designing jobs, grouping jobs into manageable units, and establishing patterns of authority and communication within the organization. This function includes job design, defining the roles, responsibilities, and tasks associated with each position in the organization. Structural design, creating the organizational structure, which defines how various roles and departments are connected. Authority and responsibility, determining who has decision-making authority and responsibility within the organization. The processes and characteristics of the organization itself are a key theme in organizational behavior. Leading. Leading is the process of motivating members of the organization to work together toward the organization's goals. It includes activities such as motivating employees, encouraging and inspiring employees to give their best effort. Managing group dynamics, understanding and managing group interactions and relationships. Leadership, the act of providing guidance, direction, and vision to the organization. Leading is closely related to major areas of organizational behavior, as it deals with interpersonal relationships, communication, and motivation. Controlling. Controlling is the process of monitoring and correcting the actions of the organization and its people to ensure that they are aligned with the organization's goals. This function includes performance evaluation, assessing the performance of individuals and teams. Reward systems, establishing systems to recognize and reward good performance. Motivation, ensuring that employees remain motivated and committed to achieving the organization's objectives. Control is vital to all businesses but may be especially critical to smaller organizations due to their limited resources and capacity to absorb losses. In summary, the management process involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, and these functions are integral to achieving an organization's goals. Organizational behavior plays a significant role in each of these functions as it explores how individuals and groups behave in the context of the organization and how their behavior can be effectively managed to enhance organizational performance. Here are comprehensive case studies for each of the 4 functions of management. 1. Planning. Case study: Apple Incorporated's product launch strategy. Apple Incorporated is known for its meticulous planning when it comes to product launches. In 2007, Apple introduced the iPhone, a revolutionary product that changed the smartphone industry. The planning process involved environmental analysis. Apple analyzed market trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. They identified the opportunity for a touchscreen smartphone with internet capabilities. Goal setting. Apple's goal was to create a device that would combine a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator in one. They set clear objectives for market share and profitability. Strategy development. Apple developed a strategy to design a sleek and user-friendly device with a closed ecosystem, including the App Store, to control the user experience. Tactics development. Specific tactics included securing exclusive partnerships with carriers, creating buzz through secretive product unveilings, and ensuring a robust supply chain. The result was a highly successful product launch that exceeded their goals and transformed the industry. 2. Organizing. Case study: Amazon's organizational structure. Amazon is known for its vast and complex organizational structure. The organizing process involves job design. Amazon has a wide range of job roles, from warehouse workers to software engineers. Job designs are tailored to specific functions, such as order fulfillment or software development. Structural design. Amazon's structure includes multiple business units, such as e-commerce, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Amazon Prime. Each unit has its own organizational chart and leadership team. Authority and responsibility. Amazon's leadership hierarchy is clearly defined, with Jeff Bezos, at the time of this case, as the CEO. Decision-making authority flows down through the organization. This structure has allowed Amazon to diversify its business lines and adapt to changing market conditions effectively. 3. Leading. Case study: Transformational leadership at Google. Google is known for its innovative and dynamic work culture, driven by transformational leadership. The leading process involves motivating employees. Google motivates its employees by encouraging them to spend 20% of their time on innovative projects of their choice. This autonomy fosters creativity and engagement. Managing group dynamics. Google values collaboration and cross-functional teams. The company fosters a culture of open communication and idea sharing, which has led to numerous product innovations. Leadership. Leaders at Google, such as Larry Page and Sergey Brin, have provided a clear vision for the company's future, emphasizing innovation and making the world's information accessible and useful. Google's leadership approach has contributed to its status as a technology powerhouse. 4. Controlling. Case study: Quality control at Toyota. Toyota is renowned for its rigorous quality control processes. The controlling process involves performance evaluation. Toyota continuously evaluates the quality of its vehicles through rigorous testing and inspection at various stages of production. Reward systems. Toyota has a culture of quality and efficiency. Employees are encouraged to stop production if they identify defects, and they are rewarded for suggesting process improvements. Motivation. The company motivates employees by emphasizing the importance of their role in delivering high-quality products and by providing opportunities for skill development and advancement. Toyota's commitment to quality control has allowed it to maintain a strong reputation for producing reliable vehicles. These case studies illustrate how each of the 4 management functions plays a critical role in the success of different organizations. Effective planning, organizing, leading, and controlling are essential for achieving organizational goals and maintaining competitiveness.